Hi guys, today I will be doing makeup for my mom.
Hello guys, today I'm going to be doing a video of me putting makeup onto my mom. So I'm trying to go for like a zoomy work look. So I'm not going to be putting on that much color. Just like foundation, primer, maybe a bit of eyeshadow, and some blush or something. Okay.
Before we get started, this is the before picture.
So first step, I'm going to be putting on a bit of primer. So I'm not going to be putting on too much primer because you don't want that much. Just enough to get it there. And then I'm going to rub that in with my hand and okay. Next, after this, I'm going to put on some foundation. So I'm just going to put it on my finger, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to rub that in with this brush. And that looks good so far. Let me just finish rubbing this in on her forehead. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to put a bit more on, just a bit, not that much, because you don't need that much. Then, next step, we're gonna do her lips. So when I do the lips, I like to make the lips shiny. So I do 3 different lip glosses. First, I do this. This is like a deep pink. It looks like this. Then I do this lipstick. It's also a deep pink, but it's kind of shiny. I got this in a pack of a lot of chapsticks. And then we're going to be doing this lip gloss, which is from Trish McEvoy. I don't know if I said that right, but yeah, okay, so let's do that. So a lot of people say that you're supposed to put your lips all that way, but it's actually, for me, easier when the lips are straight because it's more of a balanced surface. Okay, put your lips together. And then I do this. And I just do it on like the middle of the bottom. And that kind of just adds like a little shine. And then this is what makes it really, really powerful. So I've already used a lot of it and the top came off. So like the top of the bristles came off. So now it's like a really small bristle, but that actually is okay. And you can put your lips together. And that's my mom's lips. That's how I do my mom's lips. Next, I'm going to be doing her
Eyes.
Okay. actually, we're going to be doing this before the eyeliner. And it's again from the same place as Trish Mac. I'm not completely sure. So this is eye foundation. Sorry if you hear some noise in the background. That is my neighbor's gardeners. And yeah, okay. So let's just take some, put that right there, and we're gonna put it on my mom's eyes like this. You do not need to put that much on, just enough that it can be spread out throughout the whole eye. Okay, and then this eye, get a bit more. And we're just gonna spread that again on her eye, just like that. Okay, now we are going to be doing the eyeliner, which is this. So, yeah. So I like to pull my mom's eye up. It wasn't going on, so sorry about that. So we did the eyeliner on that side. So you don't always want to put it on the bottom because sometimes that looks a bit too dark. So I just put it on the top and it still looks good. So I'm just going to put a bit more right there. And the eyeliner is done. So, next step, I usually like to, so sometimes the eyeliner is a bit chunky, so I just like to make sure that it's not chunky and stuff. And so, it's not chunky, but there is some, that's right there. Okay, so next step, we are going to be doing her eyebrows. So, I have this for her eyebrows, and then I also have this palette, which is 2 different colors. I like to mix the 2 colors together and then apply it. But first, let's just do this and make sure that her eyebrows are straight. There we go. And her other one. Angie, what are you doing? Okay, next I'm going to mix these 2 colors together. So I'm going to take some of that and take some of that. And then I'm going to put it right here. And this should get your eyebrows darker. I'm just going to do it one more time. Done. Okay, then afterwards I'm going to do this once more. Just make sure it's good. And there, we are almost done with the eyes. We just need to do a teensy weensy bit of eyeshadow. So I have this really dark and sparkly eyeshadow. So I'm not going to use a lot of it because it is very dark, and we're just doing a little cute zoom work look. So let's put it on top of the eye, and it comes out very light, but still we don't want it to put too much on. It's very pretty though, so yes. this is a bit like a deep color, so it like makes your eye look deep, very deep. So yeah, we're gonna do the other eye now. Bit more. Okay, I think, yeah, we're done with the eyes. Okay. So next, we are going to be putting this on the red spots of your face. So I'm just gonna open this. It's a bit hard. Twisty. Okay. So we are going to be putting this on the red spots of my mom's face. So not that much in there, so. Okay, there we go. So I'm just gonna put a bit of this on the red spots. Oh God, sorry. And there. Okay, so we are going to put a bit more right there, and then we're going to mix this and try to blend it in skin. So you can use this because you would usually use this for foundation. So this is kind of like foundation. Sorry if you hear my dog barking in the background. She's, I don't know. Yeah, so there we have it. We have a zoom look. So this is afterwards. So I hope you like my video. So let me show you the before and after. Here we go.
Before, after. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe and ring the bell.